So you want to dive into streaming for 2019. Or maybe you've already started. We're continuing our Ultimate Streamers Guide for you, and I'll show you the must-have streaming focus components you need to have a successful stream and start you on the path of joining the ranks of fellow content creators everywhere. Remember, if you don't want to miss the next video or episode in our streaming series, be sure to subscribe and ring the bell notification so you're the first to know when we upload our next video or even go live. So you've got your streaming PC set up and you've got your streaming platform selected. Now it's just a matter of hitting the live button and go, right? But before you do, you're gonna need some key components to help your streams run as smoothly as possible and give you the most amount of control over what happens during your streams. The first piece of tech you'll want to pick up is the Elgato Stream Deck. It has quickly become as essential as a keyboard and mouse when you're streaming. From Mixer, Twitch, or YouTube live streamer to the Photoshop and Premiere Pro users, the Stream Deck is a super versatile tool that any creator can benefit from. The Stream Deck has 15 programmable buttons with an LCD screen behind it. It comes with a stand that you can set at different viewing angles. Really, whatever works best for you. It's a sturdy piece of hardware and has easily pressable but little goopy feeling physical buttons. They're very soft, it's like a soft plastic. I personally like it. All of these are easily programmable from the Stream Deck software. So let's talk a bit about customizing your Stream Deck. The software for the Stream Deck is the key selling point in my opinion. It's what makes the Stream Deck different from mapping macros on a keyboard. The ease of customability is what makes the Stream Deck so amazing. The presets are extensive and streamer-oriented. To program one of the 15 buttons on your Stream Deck, it is easy as drag and drop. Let's show you an example. From the menu on the right, we're gonna grab the timer action and drag it onto our Stream Deck layout. Once you do that, more options are available for the action. We're gonna set the timer to 5 seconds. As you can see it count down on the LCD screen. And bam! There's the timer. That took 5 seconds to set up. Now let's say I want to have multiple different timers for different things. Easy, drag and drop. Now we have 3 different timer buttons, but how do you know which one is which? You can change the icon picture a few different ways. When you add a title, it appears on your icon. Another way to further customize your icons is on the Elgato Key software creator. Click on this drop-down menu located on the action options. Now you can select create a new icon. Let's go to the builder to show you how quickly you can make a custom icon. We find the timer icon and let's put some bigger text on here to help show what the timer is. You save the file, click on set from file, and immediately it will show up on your Stream Deck. Now we can see all our different timers. When programming your Stream Deck for your stream, it's also extremely easy to move things around and make it easier to access certain actions. You can always be moving around and set up to be most optimal for your workflow. All changes you make are instant, and you can save different profiles, so you never lose a previous setup. This is a situation where I say, but wait, there's more. If 15 keys is not enough for you, don't worry. Let's talk about folders and multi-actions. With a folder, you can easily group a certain group of actions together. Organize different setups. For example, all my macro keys are in this folder, file management in another, etc. Also, I'm pretty sure you can have infinite amount of folders. Folder within a folder, within a folder, within 5 folders. From there, folder, folder, folder. Next, we have Inception 2 going on, and we found Leonardo DiCaprio in our Stream Deck. You may get lost in this own madness you have created. Let's just set up a stream multi-action. It's going to open OBS, open up Steam, and open up Twitch. So ready to set up the stream with one press. You choose the multi-action from here. You can choose different actions you want to execute within the one button. Web page for our Twitch, program for our Streamlabs, and Steam. So we're ready to choose the game. It's also worth mentioning here that you can also have different profiles set up. So streaming setup and an editing setup, or an experimental soundboard. You can even make an action to switch profiles. A new feature allows a Stream Deck to auto switch the profile for that program. So you open up your Premiere Pro and your Stream Deck is already on your editing profile. You open up Streamlabs and it's ready for you to start streaming. Life just got that much more easy. Save your mouse travel time. Now that you're an expert on the Stream Deck, you can try downloading the beta of the SDK to get the Stream Deck to automate even more of the process. You can execute your own code, customize the icon, and text on your custom action. It supports JavaScript, C++, Objective-C. There's a store on the Stream Deck beta that will allow you to upload your action creations and also find other people's work. The possibilities are going to be endless. Now, I'm going to be real with you guys here for a second. My favorite thing that I've done with my Stream Deck has been programming in green screen memes, which essentially little clips of people dancing and stuff, and a soundboard. I trigger these when a host, raid, or a regular VIP viewer comes into my stream and I really want to put on a show. The Stream Deck allows you to show off your own unique style and personality. My personality is being very zesty. So if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button and be sure to ring that bell notification to know when the next video goes live. We'd like to thank again our friends at Logitech for this month's amazing MEXP prize, where we are giving away the MX900 Performance Wireless Keyboard and Mouse combo, as well the G933 Wireless 7.1 Surround Sound Gaming Headset. So that's going to be one lucky winner this month, guys. And you all know how MEXP works. Make sure you guys are commenting all the videos for January. We take them all up, randomly draw, and boom, we have our lucky winner. There are a ton of videos for January, so there's tons of chances to win. You guys know where to find us online as well. Facebook and Twitter are the same at Memory Express. Our Instagram is official Memory Express. I'm Steve for Memory Express. Thanks for checking out the video, and I will see you guys in the next video, I guess. Yeah, that's where you'll see me next. So.